Hey, Stu Sales teams, I am here in Malta Park, which is in my favorite neighborhood, the Junction, and we are bringing you this brand new listing to market. Now, I want you to listen to Stu. When I bought my first house, I didn't buy a mansion. I didn't have gorgeous hardwood floors. I didn't have a brand new kitchen, stainless steel appliances. You know what? I got a good deal in the city and I rolled up my sleeves and I did some work. And when I did the work, I got the reward at the end. So we are bringing this amazing house to market. It has such a great layout. It has such a great flow. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms, built-in garage, private drive, a basement with above ground windows, nice height. I'm 6'4", I could do jumping jacks in the basement. But you know what? It's gonna need a little bit of work, but totally move-in ready, and it's under $1 million. So I don't wanna hear, ooh, I can't get on the market in Toronto, because yes, you can. And it's right here in the Junction, an amazing area. We've got Petty Fine Foods, Bevy Bira, the Alpine, TTC everywhere. So look, go to StuSales.ca, see the photos, the videos, and give me Stu a call, and I will take you for a tour.